Hello, my name is Brandon Johnson, and this is my introduction video for AEP 859. Some personal information about myself. You can see a picture of my family. My wife's name is Chantel. We've been married for 10 years. We actually met in high school and dated throughout college and have been married for 10 years now, and we have two children. My son Carter, he's 6 years old and he is in kindergarten. My daughter Elliot, she's 3 years old and she will start pre-K next year. This is my 8th year of teaching. Um, I am currently teaching high school physical education at Campus High School. My first 4 years working in Hayesville USD 261, I taught in the in-school suspension room at a middle school in our district. And then I had the privilege to get a high school teaching position within the district at Campus High, and I've been doing that for the last 4 years. Some of my teaching responsibilities at campus include freshman PE, upper level physical education, and then I also teach a class called outdoor recreation that we started a couple years ago, teaching kids how to fish. We teach archery. We just do some cool stuff that they don't normally get to do during regular physical education class. I also coach high school basketball and baseball at campus. I believe I just completed my 4th year of high school basketball, and I'm on my 10th year of high school baseball. I actually started coaching before I got my first teaching job, so this is my 10th year of high school baseball. Some of my hobbies include fishing, hunting, watching sports. I'm a big Royals fan, Kansas City Chiefs fan. I enjoy watching Wichita State basketball. But probably my most enjoyable thing that I like to do is just spend time with my family, and we like to travel and go on vacations. In this picture here, we're actually at the top of Pikes Peak in Colorado. We did that vacation a couple summers ago, and then this last year we took the kids on their first cruise, and they really liked that too. So we like going on vacations a lot. Some of my short-term professional goals. First of all, would be to complete all of my courses for my admin leadership degree. I should be finished up by the end of this summer, so I'm kind of on the tail end of those. I would then like to become a head baseball coach. Like I said, I've been coaching at the high school level for about 10 years, and I would like to take over as the head baseball coach eventually and give that a try. I would like to continue to grow as a physical education teacher, keep adding to my bag of tools as far as different activities that we can do in class and just ways to make PE new and interesting for the students. And then after the completion of my degree, I would like to continue to grow and network in hopes of becoming a administrator later on in my career. Some of my long-term professional goals. Eventually, I would like to become an athletic director and administrator at the middle school level. Um, I would like to stay in education and continue to grow my profession through through the completion of my courses at Fort Hays. I've gained an understanding for the need to be a lifelong learner, and so that is one of the main things that I want to continue to do after my completion of my degree. And then hopefully by the end of my career, I would like to be able to pass on knowledge to others and help them grow in their profession and just be able to pass on some of the things that I've learned throughout my teaching and hopefully administrative career. And then some things that I wish to learn throughout this course. I would like to gain a better understanding of curriculum. Being a PE teacher, I feel like I have a very vague knowledge base in curriculum, so I'm really looking forward to this class and hoping to gain a better understanding of that. And then, with anything, you hope to at least gain one thing that you can apply to your professional life in the future. And then lastly, just network with classmates and get to know people better and build those relationships that hopefully will last throughout my career. Um, Again, my name is Brandon Johnson, and I want to welcome everybody to class, and I look forward to working with all of you. Thank you very much. Bye.